Good morning from Gujarat. Just look at this. How nature is amazing. It looks exactly like the grass. Like here I have some grass. It looks exactly like the grass, but it's not grass. It's a living species. Morning with the birds and with the insects. I ran to take my phone so that I can make a video for you. It's very rare to just discover it and spot it among the grass as it looks same. Huh? How amazing is nature? Hello, good morning you. Jai Gurudev. Say hello, say Jai Gurudev to everyone in our countries. Wow, a lot of birds around me. Morning nature. Yeah, we are in paradise here. This is a land on which a Goshala will be built. So we'll have cows. Before pandemia, it was a vegetables garden. So imagine how many vegetables could grow here. There's a little bit of cleaning to do because we had that event and we had some moments here and people did not clean. I mean, that is something that everyone leaves to others to do. I mean, yeah, it's a job to clean, so people who are eating are just leaving things for other people who are cleaning to have something to do. I heard that, I was just laughing because yeah, it's okay to give job to others, but what if they don't clean? So it just remains there. Here we have the children and the children are getting trained to clean. Let's listen to the birds. So if you wish to have rest, come to Gujarat. In morning it's just amazing. See you later. Have a good morning. Jai Gurudev. We had to have some noises of cars. It was not possible otherwise. Hopefully it's quite far and not all the time. And bells of the temple. Oh, trying to spot them. Okay dear, see you later. I upload this right now so I can wish you a good morning. Jai Gurudev.